Hello everybody, it's Rob DeFilippi once again from Bentley Truck Services over here in Luzerne, Pennsylvania. And if it looks like I'm cold, it's because I am. Anyway, today I have a 2024 Isuzu NPR HD Gas truck, 14.5 GVW, GM gas motor, 6-speed automatic transmission. This truck is a special body. This is called a restoration body, and it's made by Legend Truck Body out of Shoemakersville, Pennsylvania. Okay, and it's used in the restoration vocation. Okay, we're just going to walk around this body real quick. I'm going to show you. It's got open side door with custom shelving, two toolboxes right there. You dial the truck up with some wheel simulators. You can get those from us if you want to add them to your truck. In the back here, so first of all, this is all in aluminum body, okay? The whole thing, including the ramp. The ramp is a 12-foot walk ramp. It goes inside the body when it's not being used. This shelving can be configured any way you want it. This is the way this customer wanted it. It's got a pooch step bumper on the back here. And then we'll go to the front. Put it off the front to side. And I'll show you. It's got two more roll-up doors that open and close easy. Right here, we're going to be putting an Apex 570 extraction machine, and that'll complete this upfit when it's done. Okay, LED lighting on the side there, and it's got a backup camera installed. There's a power inverter in the underneath that shelf there. So it's pretty much complete, ready to go once we get that Apex machine in. And what I wanted to show you was that we're not just box trucks here. We can cater to any vocation here at Bentley Truck Services. Rob DeFilippi, let me know if you want to take a look at one of these or one of those. All those trucks got to go. All right, thank you.